Okay, all right. Hi guys, so this here is from Beauty Forever. Just filmed a review. Oh my god, thank you so much, Collarbones, for coming through. Let me give a little action. Okay, so this is gonna be a tag video. Let me find my screenshots. So I asked you guys what you want to see, and a good amount of you said that you wanted tag videos, challenges, stuff like that. So I'm like, all right, let's get it one and popping, boo. Let's get it one and popping. So I have several tag videos that I'll be filming for you guys over the course of this month. Happy Jennifer month, August. Happy August, you guys. My first video was a tutorial. I didn't tell you happy August, my bad. So the first one is the guilty pleasures tag, and it says, what is my guilty pleasure? So TV show, my guilty, and I think guilty pleasures are something that you shouldn't have or do, but you have them and do them anyway. Oh, this is cute. This is my duck clip. For TV show, it is, I don't think it's a guilty pleasure, but I love RuPaul's Drag Race. But recently, I'm a Netflix type of person, but recently I've been digging into anything desserts or cake making on Netflix. So Zumbo's Just Desserts, oh my god, Nailed It, oh my god, and most recently Sugar Rush. Oh, and my other guilty pleasure that I love to watch on YouTube is First We Feast, and it is called Hot Ones. So the channel is called First We Feast, and the series is called Hot Ones. That's definitely a guilty pleasure because, you know, there's a lot of cussing in it, but I love it. And let me tell you, I watch it too whenever I'm craving something. That's weird. Like, I watch them eat and I'm satisfied. That's so weird. That is so weird, but it's the truth. It's the truth. It's the truth. Book, I don't like to read, honey. Song, anything Rihanna. But which one? I don't know. I can't think of a song offhand, but I love Rihanna. Let me just name what I have in my. Alright, so I have Wild Thoughts. Ooh, love Wild Thoughts. And I have Be Better My Money, Cheers, Drink to That, Love on the Brain, Kiss It Better, Love Song, Only Girl, Rockstar, Work featuring Drake. Yeah, that's all I have. That's all I have. And the weird thing is, oh, and I have collab she did Fly with Nicki Minaj. The weird thing is though, yo, most of my song lists are all NF. Yo, bruh, I'm like an NF fanatic right now. Like, NF is my jam. But anyway, yeah. Band. I don't have a guilty pleasure as a band. And for now, I have to say Accent. That's the band that's affiliated with me here in Jamaica. But for now, I don't have a guilty pleasures band, you know, in terms of it being a guilty pleasure. But yeah, purchases, guilty pleasure purchases. Workout clothes. More specifically, Gymshark workout clothes. And it's just recently that my husband is like, you know, they're expensive. I'm like, no, they're not. And then when I tell the guys, you know, where to buy them, like, these are expensive. I'm like, really? I don't know. So I guess that's definitely a guilty pleasure. Workout clothes, more specifically, Gymshark. Gymshark. Activity. I was going to say watching Netflix, but that's not a guilty pleasure. I don't have one. I don't have one. Habit, I bite my fingernails. And back in the day, I've said this already on YouTube, but half of you probably don't know, but I used to eat soap, like bars of soap, like bite it off and chew it off, even up to last year. We had Irish Spring. And yeah, I took a couple nibbles, you know. Just a couple, though, honey. Don't get too excited, honey. But yeah, movie. A guilty pleasures movie. I don't hear no guilty pleasures movie. Games on my phone, and the last one is website. Website, I don't have a guilty pleasures website, but games on my phone. My guilty pleasure game on my phone is Cooking Fever, Criminal Case, and June's Journey, but Cooking Fever definitely. Alright, so this is it for this tag video, and I'm going to switch up my hair, change up my jewelry, Let me see if I can put something else on my lips, and I'm definitely going to be doing another tag video. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, it's cool to just nice and sit down and talk with you guys. Hopefully I can there's another tag in here that has more than 10 questions, because these 10 questions flew by quickly. Milo? Bye guys.